We are at Dunbar Farms, which is a century farm that's located in East Medford. We're actually entirely within the city limits of Medford. We provide lunch and dinner Thursday through Sunday. We serve our wine. We do live music 3 days every week, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday night. Kind of become this community gathering space. We're really excited about the solar panels that were just installed by True South on the roof here at the tasting room.
So we partnered with Dunbar Farms to look at all of the available USDA grants and Energy Trust of Oregon incentives so that they could capitalize on all the available funding.
We were still able to get some funding from the Department of Agriculture and the Oregon Energy Trust, and that really helped offset those costs and made it more within our reach.
And it's because of that funding that we were able to build the system for them with a payback of 3.5 years. Over the lifetime of their system, they will save over 73% of their utility costs. That's approximately $128,000. Imagine what a farm can do with that. New equipment, building repairs, new bands for us to enjoy, all the fun things that make this community spot a success. And we're here to help them accomplish that.